Welcome, boys. Again, now for 10th, I'm going to discuss about the chapter from political science, that's a power sharing. I will start from there in last class where I had left. Today, I discuss about what we learned from the examples of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Before that, I tell you about the Belgium. How Belgium they overcame the problems, how they settled their disputes, and what did they do for the accommodation. People of Belgium, they realized diversity is a reality of their society, and through conflict they cannot solve their problems. That's why they amended their constitutions and prepared a very peculiar constitution of the world. Very peculiar things they incorporated into their constitution for the accommodation. See what were those? See, first they decided, although Belgium was a very small country and earlier there was a unitary system, and they turned their state into a federal system, and significant powers have been given to their provinces. And another management was that for the national government to constitute the national government, the number of the ministers will be equal from both the communities, French speaking communities as well as from Dutch speaking communities, and to run the administration of their capital, Brussels, they also decided there would be a separate government. Here again the number of ministers will be equal from both communities, and apart from that, in their country there would be a community government of each linguistic groups, and community governments have to look after the matter related to education and culture. Those elements they made, very peculiar arrangements, and they did it for the accommodation. So now I come to this question: what do you learn from the examples of Sri Lanka and Belgium? You see, Sri Lanka followed the policy of majoritarianism, and for that they suffered, and they faced tremendous difficulties, disintegration. In the ranking of HDI, their position fell down, and there was a civil war. Thousands of people were killed from both communities. They suffered a lot. And on the other hand, we see in Belgium there is a peace, there is a development, and there is a political